I'm going to cook empanada. I think you haven't heard empanada before, but this one is very common to Filipino cultures and even some other countries like in Southern European, Latin America, and even Indonesia. So empanada is the name is come from Spanish. We call it empanar. And the ingredients are chicken. This is 500 grams of chicken and vegetable mince, and it's all up to you how would you like to and how many cups of minced vegetable you do, but I think this one is 3 cups of mince. And then we have a tablespoon of minced garlic and a tablespoon of chicken stock powder and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper and 1 onion and 2 medium size of potato. And this one here we have egg. So we will beat the egg later, and then we are going to brush the one on the pastry. So before putting into the oven, we are going to use the short crust pastry this time. So we just have to set this one for maybe 10 minutes to cool it down, and then after that's probably ready to eat.